Hello. Thanks for dropping in. I have been to the garage and I have found something that oh, trained people may find very interesting. This is the original bag that it was in. It was part of the outside plant marked OP66. And inside is something quite remarkable. If I could get it out. Why is it sticking? Oh, well, there's two parts to it. Oh, okay. It's stuck on the side. Okay, hang on. I do not want to hurt it after all these years. Okay. Ow. I've been slimed. Ow, I've been stabbed. Okay. Okay. Just let me set this down. And then we'll get to the rest of it. Oh, yes, there's more stuff inside. It does look like perhaps there's been a mouse in here. Is there anything else? Nothing besides the mouse nest. Okay. So what we have here, as I said, it was used by the outside plant, which was part of CNT. It was now. Oh, right. Does this slide out? It does. Okay. So I'm going to put this in and pull this up and tighten. Hello. Tighten this wing nut. I would like to think. Oh, yes. There is another wing nut down here. Now, have I got that in? I've got that in. Okay. I've got that. Okay, so what we have here, and I'm not sure if this was something that my dad, who worked for CNT, created or what, but from the looks of it, it certainly looks like his handiwork. This would be something that if they're out doing something on the rail lines, that they could measure very well a distance very accurately. And I believe, once again, if I undo this wing nut and this wing nut, I think if I slide this in here, oh yes, that fits. Do that up snug. Oh, I think I have, yeah, I got that right. And I'll turn this over. And undo that wing nut. And, okay, hold on here. That wing nut. I'm having there, okay. It's a little close to the apparatus here, but it can be done. All right. Did I get these on the right way? Oh, maybe not. Hang on here. Oh, maybe. So I get this washer up. I get the washer up. Hello. There we go. At least I think I have this in the right place. Oh yeah, that's the right way. Okay. So what we have here is a way to very accurately measure a distance on the rail line. And if you see the little feet here, maybe I have to adjust them a little. But I don't know which is up and which is down. Just a second here. Oh, come on, I can't have got them that tight that quick. Okay, well maybe they are adjustable. Anyway, the idea would of course be if you're measuring a distance and you're on the track, it would be very easy to slip off the track. It would be. And it has a counter up here. And let's see here. Yes, when you turn, or when you roll, it measures the distance. You can also reset it, and it measures in feet. It does. Anyway, this would have been something used by the outside plant, but I don't know who else, at CNT, which is, of course, a division of, or was a division of CNR. And my dad started working there in the 1950s. Indeedy. Now, from the looks of it, this is something that he probably had a hand in designing. I would bet. He was one of the engineers there, and probably, I don't know, they have other things. And I've seen little plastic things that police use, but this, of course, is specialized for train tracks by these things, which look, strangely enough, with a little bend to them, just about exactly the right size to go on the train tracks. Now, I could adjust them a little further. I suppose if I wanted to, I could go down to some train tracks and see how it goes and how it's sized and all, when I'm sure that there's no train around. Anyway, they need a little attention, a little cleaning, etc. But really, this is a piece of train memorabilia. Probably, if this was used by the outside plant, probably there were others that were used by other people to measure other things along the tracks. Let's see if I can get, and also, sorry, I forgot to mention another feature. It had a brake mechanism, much like on an old 10-speed bike. And so you could mark it and wait. Yes, you could lock it in place. So there was, once you had something measured, you didn't have to worry about it moving. A fine piece of mechanical wonder. And let's just see if I can get over here. If you can see better, there's the counter and the reset right there. And it's funny, this thing, just the counter piece, which was probably bought by something other, says Electrohome on it. And the wheel has markings. I think it is one time around is a foot. It has markings where you could line it up and set it just so. And then it has this mechanism which turns the wheel. When the wheel turns, it attaches to here, it goes up to here, and it goes into the thing. Now, there's more stuff on the back here. I cannot see what it says. There is something. Anyway, here we have it. A piece of Canadian National Railway and Canadian National Telecommunications history. Do they still use these? I don't know. I just don't know. Anyway, I will do some more practicing and research and tidying. Oh, and certainly I'll clean out the bag. I wonder, does it stand nice with the feet? No, not really. All right, I'm gonna lean it. No, I'm not. I'm gonna put it back on the table. There we go. All right. So, for all you trained people, thanks for coming. I will deal with the mouse nest inside the bag. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll do more of this at another date, another time, but probably the same place. Oh dear, what have I done? Bye for now.